What's up, YouTube? Hey, it's Dale again. Just wanted to bring you a quick update on the Slacker Box Palace rebuild. It's been about a month since I posted a video, so let's get turned around and I'll show you what's going on. Well, you start off out here, you can see that anybody that watched my last video knows that all that wood that was on the sawhorses is all gone. This is all starting to get halfway cleaned out, and I still got some projects going on out here. This piece of wood out here will be a new counter or tabletop for inside the bus. I'll show that to you when we get in there. These pieces of wood will be made into storage racks for the bus. And then as we come back around here on the outside of the bus, I mentioned that I have to reseal the cab and the truck. I've been slowly working on that. It's just a real mess, and hopefully I'll be able to get that done before I leave out of here. That and changing the transmission fluid are the only two real major projects on the outside of the bus or mechanical that I have to do. The rest of it I've just been working on the inside. So let's step in here. I know the lighting's kind of bad in here because there's no electricity, but I'll do the best I can. So come into the Slacker box and you'll notice there's while it's not a full-size stove, this is a 24-inch hot point stove that I found on Marketplace. I had debated as to whether to put in a cooktop and no stove or a camper stove, and I found this on Marketplace. They wanted $300 for it. It's practically brand new, and like I say, I looked these up online, and you can get a stove like this online off of Amazon or Appliance Place anywhere $600 to $800. So I figured $300 is a good deal. I actually do have it hooked to the gas and stuff right now. It does need 110 for the igniters to work, and the oven light, which I don't have yet but will have. So anyway, that's that. And then this is the kitchen area. I've got 2 3-drawer cabinets that I got at Lowe's, and then this middle cabinet is technically it's a wall cabinet that I just took the face off of and put in the gap under the sink, so that when this is opened up underneath there, obviously I have the sink, and then the my propane for the stove and the water heater is under here. I've got a bracket that will hold that in place without any problem. Then as you come along underneath, once again, the water heater is under this section. That will be my toilet. It's a collapsible commode thing that I found on Amazon. There again, as just a single, old guy, I don't need a bunch of fancy stuff, so I bought that. And then on the outside, if you remember, there's a shower, outdoor shower, so that'll take care of that. This countertop has to come out again because technically it is a little bit too long. I need to cut it right about where this knot is so that I'll be able to open the bed up. With this hanging onto the mattress, you can't lift the mattress up, so that'll get done. I actually have here some projects going on. These are the handles and the magnetic locks that I'll be using on all the drawers. Let's see, in the back, obviously I've got the bed and the mattress in. I've got a lot of stuff already packed into the bus, or I keep saying bus, but it's the box truck. So I've got a lot of stuff packed in here. That right there is a base for a washer dryer unit that I bought years ago and never actually used it in the build, but this time I think I'm going to try and see what I can do and use that maybe for clothes storage, whatever. Then I've also, because I had a little bit of space at the one end of the bed, I bought these black storage tubs So I'll be using those. You know, they can either stay or go. I just kind of see what happens with those. The AC's in back here, all trimmed out. This above the door and the window and the AC, I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do there yet, so that's kind of up in the air. But then you come around here, obviously, there's the refrigerator and a couple more of those storage boxes up top. And then you come around here, there's this small table that I bought. There again, I got that off of Amazon. I am in the process of making a new top for that. It's kind of small, so I'm going to increase the width by probably 3 to 4 inches, and then the length probably by the same amount. And then also, then my chair is right here, and up in the ceiling, as you see, there's nothing here yet except for this one piece that I put in yesterday just to make sure everything was going to fit, and then I actually got my photos and stuff. So this back wall is fairly complete. This is just wood that I got up in the Adirondacks. There again, that's why a lot of that wood is gone. And then the back wall is actually the cedar that was on the front wall to begin with. So try to reuse as much as I can, and that's the way it goes. I think that's pretty much it. Like I said, this whole thing needs to be cleaned out and taken care of. I think I'm going to really be happy with the stove here. And let me turn this back around. Give everybody a shout out again. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll be out of Florida at the end of June, and hope to be in New York State by the 4th of July to celebrate with, you know, Mike and my buddies up there. So we'll see what happens. I think that's pretty much it. Let's walk back outside one more time, see what's going on out here. I know there again, so at some point I'll put a outside table in the bus and get that done. As I said, the top up here really, well, there again, let me turn this back around. There again, that's got to be done. Like I say, the table will go on this wall out here somewhere. If we walk around real quick to the other side, I do have a barrel that's a little bit tall. Right now I got to jack the bus up, or the truck up. I want to see if that'll actually fit between the guardrail or the frame rail and the side of the bus. I may use that as my gray tank. You just have to wait and see. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Hope everybody had a great Father's Day weekend. And just remember to stay safe, have fun, and keep those projects rolling. We'll see you on the next time, hopefully in 2 or 3 weeks. Have a great one. Bye.